Multiplying bigger numbers. In the previous classes, we have learnt how to multiply numbers. When we multiply two numbers, the result obtained is called the product. The number which is being multiplied is called the multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. For example, 32 multiplied by 5 is equal to 160. Here, 32 is multiplicand, 5 is multiplier, and 160 is the product. In fact, multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. For example, here 8 is being added 4 times to get the sum 32. We write it as 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32. This is a multiplication fact. We have also learnt how to build multiplication tables up to 10. Let us see how to build multiplication tables of number greater than 10. Let us build tables of 12. We can break 12 as 10 plus 2. So to get the tables of 12, we first write the tables of 10 and the tables of 2. Then we add the corresponding values to get the tables of 12 as shown. Let us multiply 46 into 8 by breaking up one number. We can write 46 as 40 plus 6. Then we multiply 40 by 8 and 6 by 8. Finally, we add these products to get the desired result as 368. Let us discuss how to multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. For example, if we multiply 18 by 10, we get 180 as shown. Thus, to multiply a number by 10, we insert 1 zero on the right of the given number. Let us find the product 36 multiplied by 100. We see that the product comes out to be 3600 or 3600. So we can say to multiply a given number by 100, we insert 2 zeros on the right of the given number. Now consider the product 7 multiplied by 1000. We see that the product of 7 and 1000 is 7000. Thus, to multiply a number by 1000, we insert 3 zeros on the right of the given number. Similarly, to multiply a given number by 10,000, we insert 4 zeros on the right of the given number. For example, 8 into 10,000 is equal to 80,000. 36 into 10,000 is equal to 3,60,000. We can have similar rules for multiplication of a number by 20, 30, 40 and so on till 90. Consider the product 24 multiplied by 20. We break 20 as 2 into 10. Then we multiply 24 by 2 to get 48. Finally, 48 is multiplied by 10 to get 480. Thus, to multiply a number by 20, we first multiply the given number by 2 and then insert a 0 on the right of the product. Now let us find the product of 32 multiplied by 80. Here also, we break 80 as 8 multiplied by 10. Then we multiply 32 by 8 and get 256. Finally, 10 is inserted on the right of 256 to get 2560. So we can say that to multiply a number by 80, we first multiply the given number by 8 and then insert a 0 on the right of the product. On the basis of the above, we can say that to multiply a given number by 20, 30, 40 till 90, we first multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4, 9 respectively and then insert 10 on the right of the product. Now let us find 16 into 300. We can break 300 as 3 into 100. Then we multiply 16 by 3 to get 48 and finally we insert 2 zeros on the right of 48 to get 4800 as the desired product. Again, consider the product 204 multiplied by 800. Here also, we break 800 as 8 multiplied by 100. Then we multiply 204 by 8 to get 1632. Finally, we insert 2 zeros on the right of 1632 to get the required answer. Thus, we can have the following rule. To multiply a given number by 200, 300, 400 till 900, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4 till 9 respectively and then insert 2 zeros on the right of the product. In the same way, to multiply a number by 2000, 3000, 4000 till 9000, we first multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4 or till 9 and then insert 3 zeros on the right of the product. For example, to find 5 multiplied by 7000, we first multiply 5 by 7 to get 35. Then 3 zeros are inserted to the right of 35 to get the desired product as 35,000. Now let us discuss some properties of multiplication. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. For example, multiplying 8, 36 and 1205 by 1 gives us 8, 36 and 1205 respectively. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. For example, the product of 14, 716 and 8375 with 0 gives 0 in each case. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product remains the same. In other words, multiplicand and multiplier can be interchanged. For example, the value of 42 multiplied by 8 is same as that of 8 multiplied by 42. Now let us see how we multiply a 3-digit number or a 4-digit numbers by 2-digit number. Consider 257 multiplied by 28. We first write 257 and 28 as shown. Now multiply 257 by 8 and write the partial product. Since 2 is at tens place, so we multiply 257 by 20 and write the partial product as shown. Finally, we add the two partial products to get the desired products. Now consider 7,504 multiplied by 73. Arrange the numbers as shown. Multiply 7,504 by 3 and write the partial product. Next, since 7 is at tens place, so multiply 7,504 by 70 and write the partial product. Finally, add the two partial products to get the required answer. In the same way, we multiply 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Consider 432 multiplied by 783. As usual, we arrange the numbers as shown. Multiply 432 by 3 and write the partial product as shown. Since 8 is at tens place, so multiply 432 by 80 and write the partial product. 7 is at hundreds place, so multiply 432 by 700 and write the partial product. Finally, we add these partial products to get the desired product. In the previous lesson, we learned how to estimate sums and differences. Let us now discuss how to estimate products. Consider 57 multiplied by 34. 57 can be rounded to 60 and 34 can be rounded to 30. The product of 60 and 30 is 1800. So the estimated product of 57 multiplied by 34 is equal to 1800 or 1800. Again, consider 462 multiplied by 78. 462 can be rounded to 500 and 78 can be rounded to 80. The product of 500 and 80 is 40,000. So the required estimated product is 40,000.